Good morning, children. Today we are going to start lesson 7, percentage and its application. Percentage and its application from the council. Exercise 1, 7 point, that is exercise 7.1, 7.2, 7.3 has been cut down and only GST part is there, that is exercise 7.4. So starting with GST. GST we all know it is a tax implied by the government and it is added in all the products whatever we buy, or whenever we go to restaurant and we pay the bill, in that also GST we used to pay to the government. GST, its full form is goods and services tax. Tax is a amount that is paid to the government. The central government and the state government impose goods and services tax to generate revenues. The government, they want money. They want to create revenue. They have to create money from the general public. Therefore, tax is implied. And only one tax is there, that is GST. First, earlier there were many tax like food tax, many tax were there, but now only one tax is there, that is GST. Now starting with exercise 7.4, first question says that find the buying price of each of the following when 5% GST is added on the purchase of a towel of rupees 50. Means in the question it is given that a towel of rupees 550. There was one towel, it was costing 50 rupees. And it is said that we have to take out the buying price. At what cost, at what price the seller will sell this towel which is costing 50 rupees to him. So what he will add? He will add the GST and then he will sell that particular towel. Now GST is 5%. So we will take out what will be the amount of GST. Therefore 5% of the towel cost will be the GST. Therefore 5% of 50 means 5 upon 100 into 50, 25 upon 10, 2.5 is the GST. Now the buying price will be whatever cost is there, 50. In 50 we will add GST 2.5, means total cost will be, in what will be the buying price, in the price 50 we will add the GST, 50 plus 2.5, that will be 52.50 will be the buying price of that towel, adding GST. Without adding, the price will be, without adding GST, price will be 50, and when we will add the tax we will get 2.5, that is 52.50. Therefore total cost will be 52.50. Now next question, it is said again we have to take out the buying price. We have to take out the buying price where the purchase price of 5 kg of refined oil at rupees 150 per kg. Therefore purchase price of 5 kg of refined oil will be 5 into 150, rupees 750 will be the purchase price of the refined oil. Now GST again it is said 5%. So first we will take out the price of GST. What will be added? What GST will be added? Therefore GST will be 5% of 750 we will take out, 5 upon 100 into 750, that will be equal to rupees 37.5. Now rupees 37.5 is the GST. Therefore buying price will be whatever the purchase price is there, 750, we will add the GST, that is 37.5, that will be 787.50, and answer will be rupees 787.50, adding GST. Now next question you can read from your book. If 8% GST is included in the price, find the original price. We have to take out the original price because whatever price is given in that, GST is already included. GST, a TV bought for rupees 13,500 means in this price GST is also included. Therefore, we have to take out the original price. So we will assume, let the original price be X. Original price be X. Now we have to take out GST. We take out GST on the original price. We take out GST on the original price, that is 8% of X means 8 upon 100 into X, that is 2X upon 25, means GST will be 2X upon 25. GST will be 2X upon 25. Now, price of TV including GST will be original price plus GST. And price of TV including GST is given in the question, that is 13500 equals to, when we will solve here, 25 plus X plus 2X upon 25. And then 13500 equals to 27x upon 25. When we will solve it, we will get the value of X, or you can say the original price of the TV is 12500. That is the original price of the TV. Same way, question number question number 2, second part. A shampoo bottle bought for rupees 180 means in 180 GST is added. Therefore, we will assume the original price. Original price will be equal to X. Therefore, GST will be equal to 8% of X, that is 8 upon 100 into X. 8 upon 100 into X, that is 2X upon 25, means GST will be 2X upon 25. Same way, price of the shampoo bottle including GST will be equal to 180 equals to X plus 2X upon 25. And when we will solve it, we will get the value of X will be equal to 166.67, means the original price is equal to 166 upon 166.666 you will get, that is 166.67. Now question number 4 we will do. Question number 4 says that Gaurav bought a shirt for rupees 1296 including GST. Including GST, the price is 1296 and original price is given. Original price of the shirt is 1200. We have to take out the rate of GST. Now whenever we have to take out means rate of profit, rate of loss, what we do, first we take out, if we have to take out rate of profit, so what we do, we subtract selling price minus cost price, that we will get profit. Now profit upon cost price into 100, we will get rate of profit. Here also buying price is given, original price is given. So first we will take out what GST is added, because original price is also given. GST will be 1296 minus 1200, that is 96. Now rate of GST will be 96 upon original price into 100. When we will solve it, we will get GST is equal to 8%. Therefore, answer will be 8%. Now, these all questions you will do in your classwork copy, and next we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.